Today we are going to learn how to create wavy text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started.
Preview.
To create a wavy text effect, create a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Then press Shift plus F7 to open the Line tab. After that, go to File menu, click Place, and place the background image into the artboard. Then select the Type tool from the toolbar and type the text, Wavy. After that, go to Fill and change its color to white. Then, change its font to Brandon Grotesque, font link and description, and font size to 200 points. After that, go to Object menu, click Envelope, Distort, and click Make with Warp. Change its warp style to Wave, bend to 87, and click OK. Increase its width and align it to center. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Before ending the video, are you looking for a designer who can design logos, posters, business cards, UI/UX, and designing kinds of stuff? Then you are at the right place. Just go to fiverr.com/hmohammedathil or click on the link in description and get your designs now. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.